How to withdraw Worldcoin to Gcash. Now open your Worldcoin wallet. So launch the Worldcoin app on your phone. Make sure you log into your account. After that, check your Worldcoin balance. So look at how much Worldcoin you have. Only proceed if you have enough to withdraw. Now after that, convert Worldcoin to USD or stable coin. So use the app to exchange Worldcoin into USD or a stable coin like USDT. This makes it easier to send money to Gcash. Now open your Gcash app on your phone. Open the Gcash app and log into your account. Now find your Gcash wallet address. So in Gcash, go to receive section, copy your wallet address or QR code. After that, go to back to Worldcoin app and start withdrawal. In Worldcoin, select send or withdraw. Paste your Gcash wallet address and enter the amount you want to send. After that, confirm the withdrawal. So double check the details and confirm the transaction. Wait for the transfer to complete. And finally, check your Gcash wallet. Open your Gcash and see if the money has arrived. It may take a few minutes. And this is how to withdraw Worldcoin to Gcash. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe. See you next video.